Hey guys, this is Prerna and today the topic is so very interesting. Yes guys, this topic is so very close to my heart. This is all about the lipsticks that I got in Fab back in these earlier months. Yes guys, I have been subscribed to FabPack for 6 months now, and I want to tell you, I want to show you all the lipsticks that I have been receiving in these 6 months. Yes, 2015, then July, August 2015, then September 2015. Then after that, I have taken subscription of FabPack for February 2016, March 2016, and April 2016. Yes, so these 6 months I have received some of the lipsticks that I want to tell you guys, I want to show you guys, that are very much close to my heart, because I'm so very excited to share this video with you guys. So let's get started. So yeah, this is the bag in which I have kept all my lipstick that I have been receiving in these 6 months from FabBag. Yeah, so let's open this bag and show it to you guys. Yes. So ta-da! These are all the lipsticks that I got in the Fab bag in 6 months. So first of all, I will be showing you the lipstick that I got in July 2015 Fab bag. Yeah, so this is the Bella Pyare lipstick from FabBag. They have given me in July FabBag 2015. I don't know about the products that they offered in this July 2016 FabBag, but yeah, this is the product that I got in July 2015 FabBag. So let me show you the color. This is the brick red color that they have given me in the July Fab bag. So this is the color, red color, that every woman, every girl desire in their vanity. Yeah, so this is the very romantic color. I like this color so much, and they have organized one of the contest that says that the product that has changed my life. So surely this is the product that has changed my life from Fab bag. Yes, so this thing I got in July Fab bag 2015. Then coming to August 2015 Fab bag, I got two lipsticks. Yes guys, I got two lipstick in August Fab bag 2015. First lipstick was that Mood Matcher lipstick. As you can see, Mood Matcher lipstick, it is quite black in color. As you can see, this is black color. Yeah, so but after applying this lipstick, it gives us mauve color. I want to show you the shade also. Yeah, so this is the shade, very beautiful. And I also want to tell you that it stays for 8 hours long. Yes guys, it is very much true that it stays up on our lips for 8 hours. Very good lipstick. I have been experiencing so many good things with this lipstick. Yeah, so it is my favorite. Then next lipstick that I received in August Fab bag is this. Oh sorry, is this. Yeah, so this is the lipstick from, this is, yeah, from Palladio lipstick. This is Palladio. Yeah, this is the color that I chose from the list. They have given me to choose any one of the product from there, but I have chosen the lipstick because I love lipstick. So yeah, I have chosen this Palladio lipstick. Although there were only two colors in that, one was a light pink color, so I had so many light pink color already, so I had chosen this color. This is the brownish color, as you can see. Yeah, so this is the color. This is also a quite good color, and yeah, goes with every dress. Yeah, so this is the color that goes with every new dress. Yeah. Then next I have subscribed FabBag for February month 2016. Then in that February 2016, I have received this lipstick. Yeah, so it has to be my favorite because it is from Sugar Cosmetics, and Sugar Cosmetics is is a brand that every girls know these days, and yeah, it is a very good color also. I want to show you that this is the lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is the brand. It's About Time Vivid lipstick, and they have been sporting many new colors in this lipstick. So I have received this color. Yeah, so this is the Mad Magenta lipstick. Its shade is Mad Magenta, and this is so very romantic color. I like this color so much. Although I have not used this so many times, I have only used this for twice or thrice. Yeah, because I have been saving this for some, very special occasion. Yeah, so this is the lipstick. I want to show you the shade also. Yeah, can you see the shade? This is the shade. This is the shade. Very romantic, very, very beautiful color, I must say. So yeah, this was the another lipstick that I received in February Fab Bag 2016. Then in 2016 March Fab Bag, I have also received one lipstick that is where gone. Yeah, this is the lipstick. This is from Hikari brand. Yeah, this is, no, they have not written the shade on it on the cardboard, but this is the lipstick. But I am very much disappointed with this lipstick, guys, because as I opened it, it broke out. Yes, you cannot see it like this because it is broken out from inside. I cannot show you the broken part. But yeah, I am very much disappointed with this lipstick, although the color is good, but it breaks down. Yes, so this is the another lipstick. I must show you the shade of this lipstick. Yeah, so this is the shade. This one is the shade from Hikari lipstick. This is the maroon type of shade. So the shade is good, but the the thingy is not good. So yes guys, these were all the lipsticks that I received in Fab Bag for 6 months. Yes guys, I want to count all the lipstick, that how many lipsticks I received in 6 months. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yeah, so these are all the 5 lipsticks that I got in Fab Bag in 6 months. Isn't it good, guys? Yeah, so Fab Bag is a very good deal. And yeah, if you are receiving these type of makeups in your Fab Bag, it is a very good deal. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please hit subscribe button over there, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel. Yes, so bye, stay tuned, see you guys, take care.